So, one of the other features that is new, well, is not new, is new to the Fold series, is dual recording, which, as you can see, front and rear cameras in one go, you get to both. The best thing is when you export them, you can export them as separate feeds entirely. You can move this around, you can have different layouts, so it's split screen, i.e. it's kind of split screen like this. You can often go, you can do it horizontally as well, but I like this little view here. And yeah, I mean, it's not new. If you've got an iPhone, you'll be used to dual shot, I think they call it. So let's not pretend it's like brand spanking, like it's groundbreaking. Whoops, I should watch where I'm going. This would be one reason to have this, because then you'll be able to see me go fall on my flat on my face. But yeah, now we're gonna go. This is pretty perfect for things like I'm off to see Cirque du Soleil, I'm off to Tower of London, places you've never been before, where you're like, wow. You get to see both your own reactions and what you're seeing with those reactions in one. Fabulous. Like Tower Bridge. It does look beautiful, doesn't it? Oh, special. Now, we're going in. We go through our, special group, so we're skipping. What I really like about this dual recording is you can use like the rear cameras just like you were recording video, but obviously with the front selfie being 10 meg, this little size is perfect in this kind of video, because you can still see what I'm looking at, you can still see everything behind me and kind of the experience, but then you can kind of see, you can then see enough from the main video. Although I think it's only UHD 30 and FHD 30. I don't know if it does the 60 frames, so I'll test that in a second. But yeah, let's go into the Tower of London. Alright, time for a random fun fact from a 40-year-old almost British man. I don't think I've ever been in it. Actually, yeah, I've never been in it.
Thank you so much.
You've never been in it?
I have never been in the Tower of London. This is a
bad boy.
May I please have a...
Is it? Have you just figured that out?
We just get you just to move.
Could I get a map as well? Thank you. I have a map to a place I definitely should have been at least once in my life. And we made it to the Tower of London. Now, Miriam. Hello. It's been nice knowing you, darling. Would you like to be today's tribute?
Am I about to die? It's been
No,
nice
I feel like we need to pay tribute to the king.
Oh, yeah.
And the best way to do that would be to leave you behind.
Okay.
In the tower.
In the basement, though.
No, but what you can do is then we can have you stand there, and then everyone who walks past, you can just be like, they think you're a statue, and then you can be like, off with their heads.
I'd rather go, on the walls and do the I shall taunt you a second time, you silly English kinniggets. Somebody should do a video of that.
It's really interesting because I love history. I studied medieval history and English history. The Tower of London is what makes it fascinating is obviously the crown jewels, but also this is where there's a lot of steeped history. So this is the work of sculptors. So this is Charles I, Charles II on their horses, sculpted out, executed in 1685 and 1686. Hey, I can read. And they call it the Line of Kings. But this is the king's armor. This is back when, warfare was much more conventional. And yeah, it's fascinating that I've never been in here. I'm kind of shocked. Especially because I do love history. It's one of my favorite things. Anyway, we're back to dual recording, and you're going to see a lot of dual recording now, honestly. I love this. And we made it to the Tower of London. Now, Miriam. Hello. It's been nice knowing you, darling. Would you like to be today's tribute?
Am I about to die? It's been nice
I feel like we need to pay tribute to the king.
Oh, yeah.
And the best way to do that would be to leave you behind.
Okay.
In the tower.
In the basement, though.
No, but what you can do is then we can have you stand there, and then everyone who walks past, you can just be like, they think you're a statue, and then you can be like, off with their heads.
I'd rather go, on the walls and do the I shall taunt you a second time, you silly English kidniggets. Somebody should do a video of that.